How's it going, guys? It's Chris from Project Mobile here. I'm going to do a hands-on of the recently released Amazon.com app for Windows Phone 7. Amazon.com app on any platform is sort of one of those staples. It's in any of my best app lists you're going to see on the site. Always includes this app if it's available. And so let's check it out. It's actually a really, really good app. I've been very impressed with it. And I know I do at least almost all of my shopping through these Amazon apps, whether it be on Android, iPhone, or Windows Phone 7 now. So when you first boot it up, it's a pretty standard screen. Most of your navigation is going to be on these screens. There isn't too much to do at the bottom until you really get the products. And then you're going to see it just sort of loops itself around. So you have your car wish list, orders, your account, which is pretty nice. It's a nice layout. At least those are the four things you're really going to use. You have search up top. Now if you scroll right to the left, doing a little Metro UI kind of design here, you have the deals of the day. Lightning deals. And then there's the actual deal of the day, which is nice. And if you go to the right, you see all of your recommendations. So here's all some backpacks, whatever, death clock. You know, recommendations on Amazon are pretty spot on, so there they are right there. You can always search for something, but let's just say, let's do the shortcut here. Let's say we're looking at this backpack. So we tap this backpack here. Whoops. And we get an overview of what you would see normally on the standard site when you look at something. So here's the overview, we see a price, we see customer reviews, here's all the information to buy it however you want to. And then instead of like most applications that do Amazon or shopping, the options are found buried somewhere down here. You know, you just scroll to the right and now you have all the details of everything. So here's all your product features, product description, details, anything that's supposedly important for the device, as well as here's your reviews. Now, I'm sure you're noticing as I'm scrolling through here, it's not very smooth. Unfortunately, it's just not. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, this is not. It needs to be optimized. Like there needs to be a pretty decent update that says, hey, let's kind of get some of the scrolling feature stuff out of the way. That's really the only problem I found with the app so far is it just needs a little optimization. Here's all your pricing for everything, related items, images if there happen to be any more images. It loads pretty quickly. Now I am over Wi-Fi right now, and I found even over AT&T's 3G, it works fine. Like you don't really need much of a great connection to view much on Amazon. Now, I did say most of it's in the front, but if you are in a product, down here, there is some simple navigation. You can go home, you can search for something, or go to your cart directly, which is great. Let's just go home so I can show you one of the other killer features I think of the app, or Amazon in general, which I use all the time, is the wish list. So you can just easily go to your wish list right here, and it's going to display everything that's on the wish list. I think I have a mouse and maybe a memory card. Yep, maybe some headphones. You can actually add things to your wish list. You can delete things from your wish list all through the app, which is fantastic. It's a good app. It just needs a little optimization. You can still do pretty much anything you'd want to do on most of the other platforms that have Amazon.com on it.